everyone. It's a privilege when first service mo po and they invited people here. So I just want to share my story. As you all know, I'm a survivor po ng bombing sa Lasal last September 26. And it was tragic, pero hindi ko po hinayaan yun na makasira sa buhay ko and mas naging stronger pa yung faith ko po kay God. After the bombing po, I saw, tumansik po ako, and then I saw my feet, and I knew that I can't walk. So I prayed to God na sana po, Lord, please save my life. Kasi at that time po pala, 50-50 na ako. And then, sinugod po ako sa ER, and then, at dun po, medyo nag-black na po yung paningin ko. So sabi ko, ano to, katapusan na ba? But hindi pa. And then, I saw a light. Tapos yun na, ER scene na po. Linilinisan ko yung wounds ko. And then, yun na po, papuntang OR. I told my mom, don't worry, mommy, I'm okay. And then, we were praying pa. And yun nga po, on the way to, to PGH, I was singing praises pa to God on my mind. Kasi it was really painful. And sabi ko, Lord, please help me. Kasi talagang hindi niya ma-explain kung gaano kasakit. And then, yun po, during my first operation po pala, I didn't know na 20% chance of survival ko. My doctor told me po nung 3 weeks na po ako sa hospital. So, God is great because He saved my life. It's my second time po, and I'm very thankful po for this po. And kasi I always pray to God na, Lord, please use me for your glory. And I want to be someone someday for the country. And yeah, that's what I get. So, yun po, be careful with what you pray for. And, so, yun nga po. And now, I'm very privileged po siguro and honored na God chose me para po siguro to share my testimony to people and to glorify His name. And yun nga po ngayon, yung sa media, kaya din po ako nag-come out para po, yun nga, mabigyan din po kami ng hustisya. At the same time, to make God, to make Jesus famous po.
Yes.
So, yun po ngayon yung aking goal, yung to make God famous. And siguro yun nga po, maraming na-inspire sa story ko and may mga tao pong bumibisita, parang sinasabi lang po nila na they were inspired by my story and nakikita po nila yung work ni God sa buhay ng isang tao. So, yun po, that's our way po of ministering to others. And I guess po yung mga walang hope po sa buhay, nabigyan po ng pag-asa. Kasi sa sitwasyon po nga po, paano yung isang tao na gano'n, mamamatay na, nagsising pa ng praises kay God. Tapos kahit gano'n yung nangyari, masaya pa at nag-glorify pa yung name ni God. So yun po, just want to share na po yung story yun. Short lang po and okay po. Thank you.